got you guys. Heath is here. What should I do?
Karen, I don't understand what you see in him. He's an out-of-work actor living in a share house, and he drives a 3 Series BMW.
You know, Tori, I really think that you need to cut Heath a little bit of slack, okay? Because his aunt just died 3 years ago, and he really needs new headshots. He's just going through a really rough time right now, okay? You okay? Everything all right in there?
It's fine. Shit.
Tim, we're just gonna meet you outside, okay?
Okay.